lost mine.
Mag-reset me og kina guys sa web is 125 guys. I-reset naman guys kay marag medyo kuan na guys. Ha. Mag-reset me nga dito guys sa mga birlon. Simple lang, simple yung kuan lang guys. Sit up. Yan lang. Goodbye. Mamaya na guys. Patutuya guys. Tara guys. Oh guys. Oh. Mga eskwela guys. Automotive. Oh guys.
Love left me alone, but I'm at one with the silence. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for so long. Love left me alone, but I'm at one with the silence. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for so long. Love left me alone, but I'm at one with the silence. I found peace in your vibes. Can't show me there's no point in trying. I'm at one, and I've been quiet for so long.
Bullet in my chest, you're written, bound, and next forever in my mind. We are fading in your heads, lost somewhere in wasteland, not knowing up from down. But when the walls are caving in, the world keeps turning. We got the love, we got the love. No, I will never let you go. All the words will make me found. It is never easy.
DJ G, the best. The best.
No, I will never let you go. Give it to me, we will grow. Ain't nobody needs it. I'll follow you, I'll follow. I'll follow you, I'll follow. I wear my heart on my sleeve. You do the same for me when autumn comes around.
Guys, katapos na lang vlog guys.
Caving in, the
Team dyan.
world keeps turning. We got the
Stock lang guys. Bound stock. Aid food guys. Aid guys. Stock lang din. Ayan. Stock lang mga guys. I-reset na ako guys. I-reset lahat guys. Stock lang yan lahat. Yan lang. Abang na kayo. Dahil balance guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Peace tingnan nyo ako. Oh guys, tingnan nyo guys. Push off. Dahil balance lang nga guys. Oh guys. Oh. Oh. Oh guys. Oh. Oh guys. Oh.
DJ G, the best.
Dahil balance na guys. Bibis na 125 guys. Real bike nang ulalabs guys. Magkano ulalabs? Lamig ang nagsudan guys. Oh, lamig ang nagsudan humba guys. So, tanong ulalabs guys. Ano guys? Meron mag-inadre guys. Hoy, lami ang sudan guys pag walay crank shop. Kuniti ba? Hoy, lami ang sudan guys pag walay crank shop.